Good evening, everybody. Andrew Doak Cooks again. So I've been posting a bunch of static images and not a whole lot of videos because, well, it just doesn't make a whole lot of sense for me to post everything as a video. But in this case, I figured you all would want to see what happened with the chocolate chip cookie dough that I made up and froze. There is the frozen tube. And let's go have a look at the oven to see how we're progressing. Yep, I'd say they are I would say they are ready to come out. It is time for them to be done. So something that I had started doing was for making the dough stretch as far and long as I possibly could, is I was taking my slices and then cutting them in half. So I have some cookies in here that are normal shaped cookies, and then there should be a bunch of half moons because we chop them in half because sometimes I tend to cut them a bit thick. So this is at 375 for about 11 minutes. So we like to have some of our smaller pieces extra crispy, and then we like to have some of our normal size ones as being nice and ooey gooey. So let's get these off the pan and get them on the cooling rack. And there we have it. 17 freshly baked cookies ready to be consumed. So now remember, these are the chocolate chip cookies with 3 different kinds of chocolate. So these should be a major explosion in the mouth. We will find out.